Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Fiverr affiliate account. To do that, first go to Google and type Fiverr affiliate and go to dashboard login and log in to your affiliate account. As you can see, we are logged into our Fiverr affiliate account. Now go to this left bottom corner and click on your name and click on account settings. And then go to privacy settings, scroll down and at the end you will find an option of delete my account. Click that and enter your password and click on continue. And after that your account will not be deactivated immediately. The request to delete your account will be sent to your admin and they will approve your account to be permanently deleted within a month, and after that your account will be deleted. And this is how you can delete your Fiverr affiliate account. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.